Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Infant sleep machines could end up harming babies' hearing, a new study suggests. Infant sleep machines designed to soothe baby with sound are popular with harried parents, but they could end up harming babies' hearing, according to a new study.
Take our lead.
Recent studies have suggested that many white noise machines for babies are, in fact, too loud for babies. The loudest setting on many machines can exceed the 50 dB limit enforced in hospital nurseries. Some machines can be even louder, generating more than 85 decibels at typical crib-mounted distances.
Make your mark, take our lead.
A fan or white noise machine can drown out noisy roommates, honking cars, and a snoring partner. For starters, consistently falling asleep to the sound of a white noise machine will create a sleep association. Dr. Sujay Kansagra, a sleep expert with Mattress Firm, tells Bustle.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.